Contemporary styling with 12-volt bulb, included. 3/4 diameter anodized tube. Stow-a-way plug-in pole. Base not included. Clear fluted globe, black polymer top. Perko's Inland Series reduced glare white all-round pole lights. Certified for use on power priven vessels under 20 meters, 65.6 feet, in length. Easy installation. Top reviews from the United States. Works as advertise, good price, delivered on time. Needed a new rear light that was shorter than my original to get it out of my line of sight when night boating. This pole light was a shorter, exact replica of my OEM equipment and worked perfectly. Fast delivery time considering all the local boating stores were sold out due to pandemic shutdowns and high demand. Thanks for the quick delivery.